Before use, please download and install the DALY BMS app. Android users can download it from Google Play. iOS users can download it from the App Store. You can also download it via the provided link. Before opening the app, enable mobile data and Bluetooth. When opening the app for the first time, permission requests will appear. Please tap Allow to ensure proper operation. Tap App System Settings on the device selection page. On this page, you can set the language and temperature unit. You can also view BMS wiring tutorials and visit the DALY official website. Next, connect to the BMS device. A Bluetooth module is required, or the BMS must have built-in Bluetooth. Step 1, tap BMS device, then allow the app to access Bluetooth. Step 2, select the connection mode based on your application, single, parallel, or series. Step 3, the app will automatically scan nearby Bluetooth devices. Find the device with the same serial number as the battery Bluetooth module, which is labeled on the module housing. You can also tap Scan in the upper right corner. Scan the Bluetooth connection QR code for quick connection. Step 4, tap the target device. The app will automatically enter the battery details page. After connection, you will be taken to the app home page. Here you can view key battery data such as voltage, current, SOC, and cell temperature. This allows you to monitor the overall battery status at any time. Switch to the Control page and enter the default password, 123456. You can perform BMS control operations, including an emergency switch to forcibly wake up the BMS and restore battery output. Click Heating and Heating by Appointment functions. You can also set battery type, battery capacity, sleep waiting time, SOC calibration, and charge/discharge MOS switches. The default password is 1 to 6. To change it, tap Change the password to enhance device security. Before operation, ensure the device supports the selected functions and is in a safe state. Tap to enter the Setting page. You can configure advanced parameters here. You can adjust voltage, current, temperature settings, balancing settings, and battery parameters. For OTA upgrades, tap Upgrade under the battery parameters.